Hello everyone, since MotoScan Tab 2.5 version, DTD Auto has added ECM checking function for more motorbike models, and for more international markets, including support for Click, Vario, PCX models international market, especially ECM codes of Asian countries. Finding malfunction position and repairs with this ECM is also a difficult problem for some mechanics. Since version MotoScan Tab 2.5 has provided many smart diagnostic solutions combined simultaneously on one device for mechanics such as OBD diagnosis, diagnosis by principal analysis testing, independent diagnosis of components of related systems to segment and eliminate using AI technology. Therefore, diagnosing and repairing motorbikes in general, and independently diagnosing faults of components inside the ECM, in particular, will become easier than ever. MotoScan Tab, a high-end device, leading in solutions, and applying new technology in diagnosing motorbike technical faults, helping mechanics turn very difficult tasks into very easy, simple, fast and effective, and reliable in diagnosing and repairing new generation motorbikes. We would like to introduce and guide repairmen as an example to exploit the Click Thailand motorbike ECU check function as below. Quickly determine whether the fault is a fault within the ECM. Quickly and accurately determine the location of specific faulty components within the ECM. How to repair ECU and replace ECM with the support of MotoScan Tab diagnostic scanner. Currently, there is an ECM of a Thai Click motorbike, kind not equipped with a smart key system that cannot start. Customers are struggling to know how to check, because there are many reasons why the vehicle cannot start, which could be an inside ECM fault. Now if we use the solution of using MotoScan Tab to independently diagnose each component to replace and eliminate without needing to deeply understand the principles or measure and check in the traditional way. If you only suspect it is an inside ECM fault, just buy a new ECM to replace and test. But what if the fault is not due to the ECM? Or what if I replace the new ECM in the motorbike, and the new ECM burns again due to another fault? Who will bear this cost? There are cases where we just lose more money, get upset, argue and blame responsibility between the mechanic and the car owner without being able to solve the problem. Let's see, since the MotoScan Tab 2.5 version, how great it helps fellow mechanics. This is a professional function in MotoScan Tab models. On the main function screen, select the Advanced Diagnosis function. Select Check ECU. Then select ECM, Engine. Select Honda Manufacturer. Select the Thailand motorbike market. Search and select Click Model 2018 to 2020. The device requires the use of a connection cable, cable code CV1819, to connect to the ECM. We will connect the cable according to the instructions. After completing the required connection, we supply the power supply. Press the Continue button to check the ECM. Select ECM fault phenomenon. In this situation, you can select the fault of not starting, or you can select fault as undefined in any case to check the operation of the ECM. We need to wait a few minutes for MotoScan Tab to automatically analyze the entire ECM system, internal electronic components, software control algorithms, operating quality of hardware components, processing speed, and check the technical parameters of the ECM's control operation to provide a detailed assessment of the quality of the ECM and suggest locations that need to be repaired with specific images. Yes, that's the result. Starter motor, ACG, control power circuit fault inside ECM, or intermediate power state transistor fault inside ECM. The malfunction location is very clear, detailed, beautiful images can be zoomed in and out to see more clearly. So now, you can start repairing this ECM according to the instructions. Or you can replace it with another ECM. In this situation, I use another ECM to replace it immediately. However, this ECM is the generation of vehicles with smart key. If you want to replace and use it for a vehicle without a smart key, I need to select the off smart key function. This is also what needs to be done before testing the ECM with this function. Now, I will proceed to turn smart key off. Please follow the action. Select function menu. Adjust AF. Reload ECM. Turn off smart key. Choose Honda. Choose Thailand. Choose click smart key, 2018 to 2020. Select Reload ECM software. Turn off smart key. Connect ECM to MotoScan tab. After completing the required connection, we supply the power supply. Click Continue. The motorbike's ECM code is K59K T11 TH01. Press the Continue button. Select function. Reload software by user choice. On the screen, select and set smart key off. Press Continue button to load software. MotoScan tab is processing ECM data, please wait. Software loading time is from 5 to 10 minutes, please wait. Yes, so smart key off is done. Now let's try to check the operation of this ECM before using it instead. On the main function screen, select the Advanced Diagnosis function. Select Check ECU. Then select ECM, Engine. Select Manufacturer Honda. Select the Thailand motorbike market. Search and select. Click Model, 2018 to 2020. We will connect the cable according to the instructions. After completing the required connection, we supply the power supply.
Require TD08 power.
MotoScan tab is checking ECM. Please wait. Yes, so the ECM of this new Thai-Click motorbike is working well. Now you can replace it on the motorbike and try the vehicle's operation again. Now we just need to plug the ECM into the motorbike and start the engine. So, we have seen the great effectiveness of the advanced ECU tester function, carefully designed and manufactured in the MotoScan Tab professional toolset, helping our mechanics find faults and repair vehicles quickly and effectively with a completely new solution without having to buy spare parts to stockpile, spend a lot of money to replace, or try to eliminate like before. A classy and truly valuable and effective fault diagnosis machine that helps the mechanic as a machine that can find vehicle faults for the mechanic in even the most difficult situations accurately and quickly. The new perspective in repairing new generation electronic motorbikes today is that it is important to determine the exact location of the fault, and once correctly identified, repairing that fault is much simpler than the mechanical part like previous generation motorbikes, because mainly replacing new parts. Therefore, the important value of a diagnostic machine must be one that can find faults for you. In addition to the ECU checking function, the updated version MotoScan Tab 2.5 also adds the function of ECM calibration, ECM rescue, reloading original software, turning off smart keys for many types of ECMs, including ECM ACG of Honda vehicles. For workers, many ECMs are victims and are being massively damaged by negative, non-technical tools and cheap prices on the market. See you again in the next video introducing MotoScan Tab 2.5 functions.